Yeah, start recording. So I have the cube now. I'll select the cube in the outliner and then I'll go in front view, front orthographic view. In object mode, I'm choosing scale option and then pressing control key in the keyboard and then scaling it down in Z axis. Okay, and I'll little more. I'll zoom in and then scale it down further. This time, before just scaling it further, I'll switch on the absolute grid snap in the snap width menu in the top. Yeah, absolute grid snap is on. Now I will reduce the height further. This is okay. I'll go to top and then in x-axis I want to increase its size. This is okay, I feel okay. A little more further, okay. Right. Now, sorry. Now, let's check the height. Okay, fine. Right. Now, the dimension of this is 1.7 in x, scale x, and y and z. Y is 1 as usual, z is 0.030. You will do in your screen, but right now you can listen. Um, Now I just change this matte cap to clay color and now we are going to do inset, that is pressing I and duplicating the face. So I'll go first, I'll go to edit mode and switch to face mode and select the top face and just check whether only the top face is selected or any other face is selected. Put X-ray mode and check. Okay, only top face is selected, right? Let us see if I switch on the X-ray mode and draw a rectangle, even the bottom one will get selected. So we should not do that. So only top one we should select, and then what I am going to do should be done. So top face is selected, X-ray is off, and now I am pressing I in the keyboard and extruding the face, duplicating the face. Uh, this is okay for me, I think. Okay. Now I have to scale it down in the y-axis because this region should, if it is equal here as well as here, they are same size in region. Sorry, same yeah, same size. Then it'll be nice. So little more, I'm scaling it down. Yeah, this should be okay. Uh, now, now we can bit uh, scale up and yeah, it more. This gap is enough because we have to insert again and create a small provision for designs. So yeah, so I have scaled it up. One more and scale it. Okay, fine. Okay, this will do. Right. Now again I'll press I and duplicate the face. Okay. Yeah. And same size. Okay, fine. Okay. Right. Now This we may change later. uh, for now we'll keep this. Now I'm in face mode, I feel. Yeah, face mode. Yeah, then I'm selecting the faces, the surrounding faces. You can see in the bottom there is no there is no extrusion or inset or nothing I have done. It should be like this only. Yes, it should be flat. Only in the top region we have to do all this. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now, having selected these surrounding faces, I'll press Alt E in the keyboard and then choose the second option, extrude faces along normals, and bring it down. Yeah, okay, fine. You can should not touch the bottom surface, so little I'll have to move it upwards very little. Okay, I'll just go to front view and switch on the X-ray mode and check it. Okay, this is okay for me. Okay, fine. Yeah. So this is how it should look. So a dent is formed. Now we have to create a cylinder and make a boolean in the middle and go to mesh. Sorry, you go to object mode first and then go to add mesh and then cylinder. Now I will scale it here in the settings only. Radius should be less like this. Fine. And height depth should be like this. Fine. Okay. And should not touch the bottom. Only top side hole should be there. Bottom side hole should not be there. So, maybe 0.03 or 0.05. Yeah, okay. 0.045. Yeah. Okay, fine. Right. Okay. So this is the value. Now let's make sorry. Right. Now I'll select this one. Select the table top and then go to in object mode and go to properties panel, and in the properties panel I am choosing the modifier section. In the modifier section I am going to generate and choosing boolean operation difference mode, and you have to see the cylinder name. Yeah, it is cylinder only. Okay, that cylinder should be referred in this field, object field. Okay, I am referring it. Now the hole would have been made, but it's not visible. To make it visible, you have to select the cylinder and go to object properties, viewport display, and display as bounds. Now we can see clearly uh, the the boolean has been made and the hole is made. This hole is partial, that is only on the top the hole is there, bottom it is undisturbed. Bottom surface of the tabletop is undisturbed by any carving or any boolean or insect extrusion on that. So the bottom face is free from all of those things. Now, yeah, now I can apply this boolean operation. We don't need this anymore. Okay, fine. Now I can delete this cylinder. Right. So this one to see this clearly, I am switching on in the viewport shading, shadow, cavity, and increasing the rich value even the shadow value, and increasing so that we can see clearly the depth. Okay, so to this level you can make. You can share your screen. I will just share this one, this in WhatsApp. One second, one second. I'll just share this in your WhatsApp. Sorry. Now, yeah, yeah, okay, okay. So, yeah, it's something like this we have to do. Right now, yeah, I'm able to see your screen. But one thing, just ignore. You can press no, just avoid. Press ignore in your. Yeah, yeah. Now you can share your other screen. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm able to see, but I'm not able to see the Blender screen. Yeah, I'm able to see. Yeah. Uh, okay, cube. Cube only. Cube. Yeah, right. Now you can directly go to press N in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Transform panel. I will tell you the values, but don't move this cube anywhere. The location we are not going to do anything. Let it be zero only. Scale values I will tell you. Wait. Uh, Scale X is 1.7 and scale Y is 1. As usual, it is by default it is 1. Scale Z is 0.030. That is zero point zero 0.03. Yeah, okay. Now go to top view. No? Go to top view. No, there is top orthographic view. Yeah. Now press dot frame selection. Yeah, little more zoom in. Yeah. Now press again the N to close the transform panel. Yeah. Now thing is because this white color shade is not clear, we can change it to clay matte cap. Go to viewport shading. Last one. Last. Yeah. No. This. Yeah. Matte cap. Clay color. Yeah. Yes. Now go to edit mode. Choose face mode. Yeah. Now deselect everything. Alt A. No. Alt A. Always shortcut for deselection. Right. Now select the top face. That face only. Yeah. So just go to user perspective and make sure that other faces are not selected. This we should always make a habit, and yeah. Now go back to the top orthographic by pressing 7. Yeah, okay. Now uh, press I in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Slowly, slowly, little, yeah, yeah. Further, come inside, come inside. Yeah, yeah. Little outside, little outside. No, no, slowly, slowly, come inside, slowly come inside. Enough, enough, enough. Now we have to scale in y-axis. Go to scale option in the toolbox. Yeah. Now in y-axis there is green color. You have to scale it slowly. No, 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 no. Yeah, it should be equal. The sides, no, should be equal. Scale it down. Scale it down. Slowly scale it down. Enough, enough, enough. Yeah. Now press again I. Yeah. Yeah. Bring it down. Inside, 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 inside. Enough, enough, enough. No, no. Okay, fine. Okay. There is scale up, scale up. This. Uh, Now you are here, no? Slowly you come inside. Slowly you come inside. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Slowly you come inside. It's a bit difficult, I can understand. Maybe you can do one thing. You can stop left mouse button by stop by using left mouse button, and yeah, and go to the settings as usual. Left side, down side. Settings are always down. Yeah, yeah. Now in the their thickness, I feel point 1 2 you put point 1 2. No, point 1 2. Yeah. Okay, okay. So we have to make it point 4 2. No, sorry, point 1 4. Point 1 4. Uh, okay, 5 you put, no? 5 you put point 1 5. Okay, it's not seemingly enough. Okay, point 1 7 you put. Point 1 7. Yeah, this is okay. Now, uh, now this we can close it. This inset by going to dialog box and then okay, you are deselecting. No, no, no need to go to in edit mode only. We still have. Now in the y-axis, that is green color handle, you have to scale it down slowly. Slowly. No, 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 no. I think duplication has happened. I think no, no. Undo. One more undo. Uh, one more undo. Okay. No, no. Select the face and then try to move. Now you try to scale it in the y-axis. Yeah, this is correct. Okay. So scale it down, scale it down in the y-axis. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Little more, bit. Yeah, enough, enough. No, no. Little up, little up. Enough. Oh no, 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 no. That is the sides should be same. The region, no, size of the side regions and the top region should be same. Little scale it down, scale it down. Slow. No, no. That is undo, 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 undo. No, no. You cannot set it back. Undo. You have to undo. One undo. Yeah. Undo. One more undo. Okay. Now you scale in Y slowly. Yeah. Yeah. Little more. Little more. Enough. Enough. Okay. Now we may have to adjust again. Just make sure that in the bottom, sorry, nothing is disturbed. Yeah, okay, it is all fine. This is how it should be. Deselect because bottom you have selected by mistake. Yeah. Now go to top orthographic view only. Now select the side faces. There is no surrounding face. This inside one face is no inside one. No. Yeah. That's the one. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now keep it in this view only. Correct only. Just put press dot. Yeah. This is the view. Press dot. Yeah. Little more depth. Yeah. Little more zoom. Yeah. Now press Alt E and choose second option, and now it will ask you to move it downwards, move it slowly downwards, uh, slowly, just above, enough, leave it. Yeah. Now just go to front view. It is we are able to see, in the bottom. Go and see the bottom. There is, just to turn the camera and see the bottom. We are able to see this, no, the lines we are able to see means mesh intersection is happening. So what we have to do is go to front orthographic view by pressing 1. Yeah. Now zoom in, zoom inside, nicely zoom inside, still more, further. Yeah. Enough no. Yeah. Now switch on the x-ray mode. Yeah. Now choose move handle. No, this is scale handle. Move handle. Move it little upwards. Not much. Not this much. Bring down. No, further bring down. Yeah. Further. Yeah. Further. Further. Enough. So yeah, so this much depth we should have for the designs. We'll be extruding and make the designs thick, and it will sit inside this cavity on the top. So yeah, so now you can go to top view, top orthographic view. Yeah, you can press home button. Yeah, do you have home button in your laptop? If you have, yeah, okay. Okay, fine. Right now, go to um, top orthographic only. Top orthographic view. Press 7. Yeah. Now deselect everything. Yeah. For deselection, no, press use Alt A always, right? Because here we don't have any other objects, like only tabletop is there. We don't have any surrounding objects. But in case if you have some, if you are doing interior, exterior and all, there will be many objects around this object. So at that time, when you click, you take your cursor and click outside this geometry to deselect this geometry. You will, in turn, you will select another object. So like that it happens. So always use Alt A. Right. Now we have to create a dent, a boolean inside in the middle. So for that, go to object mode and go to add cylinder. Yeah, mesh cylinder. Yes. Now careful, don't click outside. Go to cylinder settings. There is left side. Cylinder settings means on the left side, down. Yeah. Now let it, well, the vertex be same. Okay, fine. Radius, just try 0.5. Point 4 you point 0.35 you put 0.35, sorry. Yeah. I think little more bigger it can be. I think okay, zero point 0.4 only you put. Yeah. Now don't change click or anything. Your cursor is out in the 3D viewport. Yeah, let it be. Now press 1 in the keyboard. No. Press 1. Oh no. Let us press something else. Okay, no problem. Press 1 in the keyboard. Yeah. Now scale down in Z axis. There is go to scale option Z axis. Yeah. Slowly you scale. It should become uh, just a little bigger than uh, the tabletop. That is enough. Yeah, little more, little more. Enough. Now press. Yeah, correct. This is correct. Press dot. Yeah. Zoom in little bit. Yeah, enough. Now move handle. Yeah, in Z axis upwards. In Z axis upwards. Yeah, a little bring it down. Yeah, a little more. Further, bring it down. Yeah, no. It should not touch the bottom surface. Little. Yeah, enough. Yes. Yeah, fine. Now, we have to select the tabletop. Select the tabletop. Yeah. Now go to top view and like this. Yes. Now you can press now shade mode. You can use press Z in the keyboard and you can. Okay, fine. This only is okay. Yeah. Now the depths are not seen. Like we made inset and made some cavity and all. It's not seen. So for that, you go to the viewport shading. Last icon in the top. Uh, no. Last there is menu. Shading only. Menu viewport shading menu. You have to go. Last small node icon is there. In that no, just yeah, that one. This is called menu, viewport shading menu. In the here, switch on the shadow. Do you see below? Come below. Do you see shadow? X-ray shadow. Only shadow you switch on. Cavity you should switch on. Yeah, and then increase the ridge value. And enough. Not much. No, just 1.5 or something. Yeah, this is enough. Okay. This value also 1.5. No, next value is there. That also 1.5. No. Yeah. Value. Escape. No. Below. Value 1.5. Yeah. Now you just go to user perspective. No, go to user perspective. You see, you can see the depth nicely. Yeah, for this only we were doing all this, right? Now you have let this be in this view only. It is nicely visible. Now little zoom in. Yeah, enough. Let it, no, don't change the view to tilt down. That is, let the camera. Okay, tilt up. Little more. Enough. Yeah. Now go to add modifier. Right side. Properties panel. Select the tabletop and then yeah. Okay, you have selected both the objects. I think only tabletop you should select. No, you have selected. Yeah. And modifier generate Boolean operation. Now in the object field, it is empty. There is no. Choose cylinder. Yeah. Now you are seeing difference mode is on in the Boolean operation. So difference mode is what we have to make a hole. No, so there whenever you want to make a hole, you have to switch on the difference mode. So it's by default difference mode is on. Okay, fine. So and by default exact mode is also on for solver. So it should be like that only. It should not be in fast. It should be in exact mode only. Fine. Now you have chosen this cylinder as in the object field in the modifier, that is in the Boolean modifier. Yeah, there. Now but you are not able to see. No, just select the cylinder and move it and no, in the viewport select the cylinder. Yeah, slowly. Just move it move it up, move it up. Yeah, yeah. Still you won't see any dent or any hole in there, right? Yeah, now undo it. Yeah, right. Now select the cube. Yeah. So here you see the cylinder you have given in the modifier, Boolean modifier. You have referred this cylinder for holing. Okay, fine. But still, it is not making a hole like that we feel. But it's not so. You just select the cylinder now. Yeah. Now go to this object properties in the properties panel. Below object properties, there is yellow color icon is there, no, small yellow color. Yeah, that is object properties. Now you find out the viewport display. In that viewport display column should be there. Now, scroll down. Yeah, viewport display should be there. In that, just put the display as to bounds. Just display as textured is there, no, instead of display as textured, bounds. Yeah, now you are able to see the uh, boolean, that is whole you are able to see. Now just for fun, no, just move the whatever you have selected, the cylinder object, which now just for the display sake it is in yeah, no, move, undo. Ah. So whenever you are just moving, no, you are making sure, just for the trial sake you are moving it, immediately you should do undo, to get it back. Now press x-axis handle and move it on the right side and left side and just see what is happening. Yeah, the whole can be transferred. Yeah, this is what is a Boolean operation. So why the modifier is in history? Because we can change the location of the whole. But now we have set the location already. We are confirmed with that, so we don't have to uh, that is maintain the history, modifier history. So we can delete the modifier history. How? By applying the Boolean operation. So whole is made. Now we are going to apply the Boolean operation. Select the cube. There is tabletop. Yeah. Now go to modifier section in the properties panel. Yeah, that one. Go to apply. Below that small node. Yeah, apply. Yeah, that's all. Now we don't need the cylinder anymore. Just select the cylinder in the outliner or any. Yeah. Now you can delete it. Delete. Yeah. So this thing is made very nice. So now I'll share my screen. We'll have to do the. You can change the name to tabletop. Select. Go to outliner and tabletop. Yeah. Okay. Now you can save also. Save it as table version 1, like that. You can see it. And share my screen. And go to top view and then okay. Sorry. Now we are going to make a design and try to fit in these the cavity. Wherever we made holes like square, we have made a rectangular hole and also a circular hole. So two designs are going to occupy those. One design we already made on that day using the Bezier spline, and we extruded it all that, and we duplicated it using the array modifier and fit them into these cavities, rectangular cavities. Then after that we will make another design and extrude them again and fit them inside the circular cavity. So like that, first we will go for the rectangular cavity design. For that I am going to hide this tabletop I'll name this tabletop and then hide it. And so I will also save it. Tabletop, hide it. Okay, fine. So I'm in top orthographic view. Okay, let it be like this only. I'm going to bring the design image in the background and go to add. I'm in object mode. Okay, let me save the scene file. Save it. Table version 1. So now I'm going to make the design. For that I'll go to add curve and then Bezier. I hope this is in recording. Yeah, it is in recording. Add curve Bezier. Okay, Bezier curve I'm seeing. I'm able to see the Bezier curve. Now I have to load the background image as a reference, so that on that image, keeping the image as reference, I can draw the Bezier spline on the image. I'm going to add image and background. Okay, fine. And choosing the design interior, exterior, and choosing the design in design. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to make this image transparent. Yeah, little bit transparent, so that no, it is so bright I cannot see the spline what I have. So to make it dim, and I'll be able to see the spline, easier spline properly. Okay, so right now I'm selecting back the Bezier spline. I'm going to draw the Bezier spline on this one. But for drawing, I'm choosing the freehand Bezier curve drawing option, which is available only when we take a Bezier curve, go to add, in object mode, go to add curve Bezier, and then delete the Bezier curve. That is not by object but in the data, that is in the component mode. I have to switch to component mode, and then all the vertices are selected, that is only 2 vertices are present. Now that also I just delete. Yeah, I'm deleting the vertices. Okay, fine. Now I can go for this freehand curve drawing option. I'm choosing it. Just make sure that you are choosing the freehand drawing curve drawing option only, because above that option something similar annotated icon is there. They look similar, so make sure that you are choosing the freehand curve drawing. Right, I have chosen the right one only. Now it's very easy to draw. You see, if I slowly move my mouse, I'll be able to match the background and draw nicely. Okay. These places we'll have to change. First, in the beginning we'll do all this, then we'll change. Yeah, so we have made it. Now we just have to modify the curves just to match the the diagram or the image in the background. So I'm pressing immediately W to get out of the option. Yeah, okay. Now I'm drawing, I'm just matching it, selecting every vertex and just trying to match it. Like this, okay, fine. Whenever I want, I can rotate it, see? So I don't have to select every time this one, tangent handles points. That is, you see, there are 2 points. One is vertex. Okay, that let's call it vertex, and around the vertex there are 2 points. So we are calling them points, not vertex. So that to communicate will be easy. So this vertex I'm moving, and to move the points, I'm not selecting the point, but what I'm doing, I'm already in the selection, vertex selection only. I'm just using the rotation handle and doing like this. And if I want to scale it down, I'm using S in the keyboard and scaling it down like this. So for scaling the tangent handles or say vertex, we need not use scale option in the toolbox. Rather, press S in the keyboard, that is shortcut for scaling option. With that you can do it. It won't make an issue. So here we can use the scaling options shortcut keyboard shortcut. So I'm scaling it down. I'm trying to match it, and also I'm rotating it. And here also I'm doing. Sometimes we may have to do this like this to make it more perfect. Okay, fine. Now, so to add one one more vertex in between these guys, see here there is a curvature, but here no point. A point is missing. Vertex is missing. So let me select these vertices and right click, and then press choose subdivide. Yeah. So one more vertex is being added. Now I'll keep it little downwards and scale it down. This is okay. And then here also I think I need one more vertex in between, and right click subdivide, and then move it. It's very easy, once you do it, it's a bit easy actually. And you can do many designs once you are good, become good in this Bezier spline drawing. For many architectural or even mechanical drawings and extruding it, all that be very useful. So Bezier spline in 3D software is very important. Even for textures, we can make textures out of this Bezier spline actually. So we have to learn this tangent handle operation, how to operate this tangent handle, make it big, make it scale it big, rotate it, and move it, all that. So now I'm moving it. See, I'm moving the handle using the handle, selecting the handle points, any one point. So like that we should practice, and then here also I'm just adjusting. Fine, okay. So now sometimes I feel like I want to break it. I'll show you that spot. I want to break this. See, what is happening is when I move this side of the handle, other side also moving. See, like this. You can actually break it. Once you break it, only one side of the handle will move, other side will remain the same. So I'll show you where it is needed. Now here we need not break the handle. Right. Now here also I'm adjusting. Okay, fine. Moving here. Fine. So here you see there are no points at all. We have to add. So this is the start vertex, this is the end vertex. Between here I have to add. I am pressing after selecting the two start and end vertex, and to add an in between vertex in the segment, same segment, I am right clicking and then choosing subdivide. One more vertex is added in between. Right. Now this I'm keeping. Okay. Now you see, uh, I want, if I break this, it'll be nice actually. So what I'm going to do, I'm selecting the vertex and pressing V in the keyboard. It is showing a menu. Set handle type. This is called handle, tangent handle. So set tangent handle type. What type of tangent handle you want to choose? If it is vector, you see what is happening. I am choosing the vector. It is breaking like this. Suppose if I am not choosing the vector and I am choosing any other automatic, you see what is happening. Automatic means this side and that side are same, locked, and tangent handle is locked. If I move this side, that side also will move. They are not free. So now, right now, all the tangent handle, that is, all the vertices are in the set to automatic, which is locked tangent handle. If I move this side, that side also will move. So now I'll press V and choose aligned. Let's see how it is. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, so this place we have adjusted, nice. Okay, this place also we have to adjust. Okay, fine, is okay. Now, yeah, this side I'm adjusting. Right. Now you see here there is a small depth is happening. There is here a small, means what, you need more vertices to carve this design here. So what we should do is, we should add more points. So I'm selecting the start vertex and end vertex here, because the curve is traveling like this only. So this is start vertex and this one is end vertex. So I have selected both start and end, right click, subdivide. Now we have one more vertex in between them. Make it flat. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now here and here I am going to add subdivide. Yeah, one more vertex I have added. Uh, Hello, Rahul. Yeah, yeah. There is, if you want to go for refreshment or anything, no, you can go and come back. There is, I hear you saying something. Maybe you are asking for refreshment or something. Oh, okay, okay. Right. In case you are not able to tell loudly, no, you can just type it and you immediately get the message in the in-call messages inside the Gmail. Okay. second. Okay. Yeah. So I'm doing it. Same thing we are doing. I'll just move the vertices. Keep it. This, if you have learned in one for one design, if you have learned, no, maybe it's worth it actually spending time for this, making this design using the Bezier spline. It's really worth it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, okay. If you see here, this place is bit blunt. Here it's very sharp, so it need not be so sharp. I will press V in the keyboard and make it automatic. See the change. You can see the change. It has become a blunt. So this is what we want. It should not be too sharp. Now what I will do, I will decide the sharpness. So what I will do, I will, like this I will do. Here and here we need one vertex. Subdivide like this. Okay. I think a separate session is needed for this Bezier spline. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Right. Now this place is okay. This region is okay. Process of dividing and distributing like this. Here also it is too sharp, so we should let me make it blunt. Automatic. Oh god, automatic to make this. You have to add more points. So this is how the design should be. Here maybe little we can adjust. So do you have this image, background image, or should I send you the image? Okay, okay. I've sent you the image. You can just draw this curve. You can share your screen.
Potato.
Yeah. Now you can hide the tabletop in the outliner. Now you have loaded this in user perspective. Okay, now go to top now. Go to top view. Yeah. Now actually this is like okay. Press M in the keyboard. Yeah, no, N for yeah, yeah. Now make rotation 0. All rotations 0. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now even no, select. Even translation movement also 0. Yeah. All Z is not 0 actually. No scale that is that one is it. Yeah. Fine. Now go to properties panel, right side down. Yeah, that one. Yeah, select it. Yeah, that, below that. Yeah. Now, do you see opacity? Switch on the opacity. Yeah. Now make it 0.2. Yeah. Now you will be able to draw it. Go zoom it. Zoom inside. Even more. Only one design is enough in view. Little zoom out. No? Press Control and yeah. Right. Now go to add. Go to add curve. Second option, curve Bezier. First one. Yeah. Right. Now you have brought the curve option. Okay, right. Now because this curve object now we cannot see the freehand drawing option. You see on the left side you are in object mode. You have selected the Bezier curve. Okay, fine. On the left side, what in the toolbox, what you are seeing, move handle, rotation handle, scaling handle, all that you are seeing. Yeah, only those things you are seeing. Now you just go to edit mode. Yeah, you will be able to see many options like other options. No? Other when you select the mesh, when you and go to edit mode, you will see many options in the toolbox. Same way here also you are able to see. Now below the annotate, no, left side in the toolbox below the annotate, do you see the measure? uh, left side in the toolbox only. Below the move handle, rotation handle, scale handle. Yeah, below that annotate is there. Just below that measure is there. No, don't draw anything. Measure is there. Below that one icon is there. Just below the measure. That is the freehand drawing, curve drawing option. Okay. So with this we are going to do, but before that we have to delete the existing vertices. How? Bring your cursor to the 3D viewport and then press delete. Delete. No, that's what I'm saying. You are going to select only the vertices, not the object itself. Now you keep your cursor in the viewport and then select don't deselect anything. You press A, again select it back. Yeah, so vertices should be in selection. Delete. Yeah. Now do you see on the right side Bezier curve is still there. This is what we want. Entity should be there, but his body should be deleted. What we did, his curve we deleted, but without selecting his entity. In the outliner, his address is there, but in the viewport, his body is deleted. How we deleted his body? We went into edit mode and then deleted its components, not the Bezier curve itself. Right? Now, now now you are going to, with this freehand curve drawing option, you are going to draw on the design. Okay, take your cursor to the any starting point, like this left side curvature is there, no, left side curvature. Yeah, there, from there you start. Yeah, just yeah, like that one. Very good. Slowly you can, yeah. It's a bit difficult only, but you can do, no problem. Yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. It's okay, it's okay. Now the curve has formed. Oh, you did undo, I think. No, no, wait, wait. No, no, it's okay, it's okay. I think just undo, double, two times undo, you do. Maybe you will get it back, I think. No, huh? Oh, okay. So you just you can do it again, no problem. And delete these vertices. Press delete together. No, no, select all the vertices and then delete. Yeah, delete. Yeah, that is, yeah. Now you can draw. Freehand option is on. You can draw. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now you see that you have made the curve. Very good. Uh, you can press Control Space. That is maximize the window. Bring your yeah. Now you have to adjust the curve one by one slowly. First, from whichever is easy, no, you can adjust. Let us go. We have to go out of the option. Press W. Yeah. Now you can select any word. Pick selection. Okay, not rectangular selection. Pick selection. But now you understand that you have selected the point on the that is yeah, that is the vertex. Those are points. Huh? Right. No, no, you have to select the vertex only first. First, set the vertex on the place. Move it and press handle. Yeah, yeah. Move them on the, yeah, yeah, like that. Now just try to rotate it. No, you can use shortcut also for rotation. Yeah, yeah. Uh, One thing I suggest you just go to edit preferences. No, go to edit, uh, file edit, edit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Their preferences. Yeah. Now you are able to see the viewport. I think there is. I'm not able to see your thing. So their third column is viewport. In that, gizmo size will be there. Increase the gizmo size to 124. Now you can close the view. Yeah. Now you can close it and you can start operating this. Yeah. Now you are feeling little. You can scale it, no? So now, yeah. No, no, this is correct only. You can rotate it back. backwards. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that is it. So yeah, I think there we have added too many points. So just press dot in the keyboard. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Too many points are there. Any one point you can delete there. Yeah, delete. What's this? Yeah. Now these 2 points we have to merge. No, two vertices are there. No, not by bringing it closer. Just select both the vertices. Both the vertices. Yeah. Now press. Uh, not. You just zoom in. I doubt whether they are selected or not. Okay, okay. So press F in the keyboard. It will fill the segment. It is filled. Select now. Press deselect Alt A. Deselect. Select just pick select one vertex. There are two vertices there. Delete now. So there will be only one vertex. Right. Now you can just select that vertex only. This vertex you select. Select that vertex. Now you can press V in the keyboard. Now you are able to see all the options. Just press vector, second option. Yeah. Now you can choose one handle and move it. There is one handle's points is there. No, small black color point is there. This one. This one. Yeah. It's a bit difficult only. There are two. No, this what you have selected is vertex. They have 2 points on either side. Yeah, you see that tangent handle points. That is handles you are seeing. No? Yellow color handles you are seeing. Yeah, that is point. Yeah. They are points. Now you just zoom it and move it and see. No. Now, this one you can free movement you can do. Just use the white color circle, small circle is there, no? There, yeah, like that you can do. Yes. Yeah. You can rotate also. You can select the vertex. Select the vertex. In some cases, you can rotate. Like that also you can rotate or select the vertex. Select the in between vertex. If they are points, what you have selected. Yeah. Now, yeah. Yeah. Now just try to rotate. No. No. Don't say. Just be in selection of vertex only. This is actually point what you are selecting. Okay. Okay. You do. You go your way. You go your way. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now I will send you the curve. You can maybe we can have a one more session for a curve, Bezier curve only. So yeah, I will send you the curve what I have made now. This curve you just don't delete this curve. Later you can work on this curve actually when you are practicing. You don't have to whatever work you have done. You don't have to waste it. Now go back to object mode. Yeah. Now control space. Yeah. Now name this as old BC. BC means Bezier curve. Yeah. Old BC or something. Yeah. Okay. Right. Enough. Enough. Yeah. So you can hide this now. Yeah. Even the empty, no, empty image. You can name this empty as image background BG image. Yeah. BG image. Uh, yeah. Okay. Fine. Now, okay. Fine. I will send you the curve. Go to Blender screen. File link is there. File link. Yeah. So where you have saved it, from there you can load it. Once you select the file, no, wherever you have saved it, it will ask you to uh, locate into your directory. That is, you have created Blender lesson directory, no. You choose the first, choose the file where you have downloaded. Then it will show you many directories or something. In that, objects, I think objects folder will be there. It will display you the objects folder that you have to select. Maybe I'll look at your screen. Okay, link. Yeah, link. First one. Oh, no, append you're choosing. Link. Link. Now you have to share, I think, because I'm not able to see it. You have to share the. No, no. Blender is shared. This Blender, when you file open, file link and all, no, one more dialog box will come. That you have to separately share. Yeah, just now I'm able to see. Now you choose the file. Okay, link. Now it is asking into which you have to load it. It is asking without loading. No, no, no. It, it chose the file actually already. It chose the file. No, choose the file. Go back again. Choose the file. Okay, link. It is saying wait. Don't click anywhere. It is asking you to. It is showing you many folders, right? Brush collection like that. So it is asking you to locate. That is copy into this any location like that. So choose object location. Yeah. Now you press Bezier. Link. Yeah. Yeah. That's all. You got it. Now I will show you what to do with this. So this BG image, I'm naming it and hiding it. This Bezier curve. What I'm going to do now, it is in a Bezier form, because we need a Bezier form to draw a design. Okay, Bezier geometry, we need to draw a design. We have used freehand curve option, all that. Okay, fine. Now the design is made using the Bezier curve. In the outliner, you can see the curve icon. Do you see the curve icon in the outliner? See this icon where my cursor is. It is showing the curve icon. You can see that, yeah. So that curve icon denotes that it is a Bezier curve. It is not a mesh. For extrusion, we can apply extrusion only on the mesh, not on the curve. So what to do for that? What I'm doing is, that is to make a solid object. No, we need a mesh only, not the curve. Now I have to make this curve a poly curve, that is a mesh curve. You see, when you go to add, you see two different curves are there. In Bezier curve, this curve symbol is there. There so many curves are there. Bezier curve, circle curve, like that many Bezier curves are there. Okay, fine. When you go to mesh, there also one circle is there. So curve is possible in the mesh also. So if that they call it poly curve. Huh? Now this, we have to convert this to a mesh or say poly curve. How to convert it? I have selected the Bezier curve. I will go to object menu. I am in object mode. I will go to object menu, and then I am able to see this convert option. Okay, inside that a menu is appearing. In that I am choosing the mesh option. So convert the Bezier curve to mesh. I am choosing the convert to mesh. You see the changes happening in the outliner. It will change to downward pointing triangle. In the outliner you see the icon will change to downward pointing triangle. You see downward pointing triangle. So it is no more a curve, it is a mesh now. I can type here mesh curve, like that I can name it. Right now I have converted this Bezier curve to mesh curve. The difference you can see here, you won't see anymore these tangent handles. I'll go into edit mode and switch on the vertex, like that, and switch on the vertex. You see so many vertices are there, none of them will have a tangent handle. You see there are no tangent handles at all. So this is the nature of poly curve. Now it is I will call it mesh curve only, huh? So we converted this Bezier curve into mesh curve. Now you can also do that. You can share your screen. Go to top view. Top view. Yeah. Now actually no, this thing is bit selected as kind of select the new Bezier curve. Yeah, select it. Yeah, now it is in yellow color, right? uh, you see in the outliner you see the symbol as curve symbol. Yeah, upward, yeah, that is icon is curve in the outliner only. Just bring your cursor to the beginning of the new Bezier curve. Yeah, there a little more left side. Yeah, there you see the curve. Now it will change to, yeah, that is one. It will change to downward pointing triangle, which is mesh symbol, huh? This is curve symbol, it's going to become a mesh symbol. Now we have to convert it to mesh. You have selected the curve. Okay, go to object menu. Let's say the object menu. Yeah. Convert, down, further down. Yeah, that convert option, convert to mesh. Okay, it is deactivated. Why? Because I think uh, we brought it through link or append. uh, okay, just go to file and bring it as append, no? Actually it should come append and save the, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So the old one, no, new easier first one, no, that you brought, you can delete it. Yeah, that one delete. Yeah. This one you select, now go to object and convert to mesh. Yeah, yeah. Now it has become the downward pointing triangle in the outliner. You can see that in the outliner you can see it has become the downward pointing triangle. Yeah. Now you don't move this curve anywhere. Okay, let it be like this only. You can press W in the keyboard so that you by mistake you need not move it. Yeah. Yeah. Now you go into edit mode. Go into edit mode. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is showing only they don't have faces actually, but still it is because it is the nature of mesh. Still it will, the face mode is on, but there are no faces. Now press 1 in the keyboard to switch on the vertex mode. No, okay, you have go to numerical pad 7. You go back to top view. Yeah. That is, do you have horizontal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontal in your keyboard? No. Just in that press 1. If you have, press 1. You don't have it. Okay. In your keyboard it's not there. Okay. Go back to Yeah, top view. Now in vertex mode you are able to see many vertices. Okay, fine. Now these many vertices we don't want. So what we should do? We have an option for that. It's called decimate. We cannot delete it manually. Uh, uh, so what we have to do? There is a edge menu is there in the top right side. Yeah, yeah. There you see unsubdivide. Yeah, unsubdivide. Yeah. Subdivide means it is becoming more. Unsubdivide means it is becoming less. Yeah. Now you see we have don't click anywhere. You see in the settings down settings unsubdivide settings it is 2. Just press 1. Just try to bring it 1. Yeah. So it is 1 is one step lower. That is it has reduced to 1 percentage. It has reduced 2 percentage. If it reduces it becomes even more less. I think for 1 percentage reduction is enough for us. More reduction will it will lose its curvature. So this is okay. Now we have to have on same number of vertices on either side. That is, if you see here there are some number of vertices one side left side. If you see this design is symmetrical, no? Actually this what is there in the left side, right side also same. So we can have same number of vertices. It will be very helpful while doing the extrusion, making it a solid mesh. So what we have to do, right side we are going to do rectangular selection, vertices selection, and then delete them. So very carefully you delete them. Right side. Yeah, yeah. Now little more, one more vertices on the top, on and in the bottom. That also you select. No, 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 not that, not that. Only small. That is from the green color axis line. No, there is global axis line. This no, no. That is what I should say. This in the middle you are seeing red axis. From there you should say. Yeah, but one thing you ignore. No, no. Wait. Don't do any search. Let it be. Yeah, there is on the top one extra vertex you have selected. That you have to deselect. Control and deselect. Press control and deselect. No, no, undo one undo. Undo. Control and deselect. No, press hold control. Yeah, and deselect. Yeah, that one vertex. Yeah, like that. In the below also you have to select one, deselect one vertex. Yeah. Now you can delete this one. Press delete. Yeah, vertices. First one. Yeah, nice. Now this deselected two vertices, no, on the top and bottom. Those vertex you just select only those two vertices. No, no, Alt A. Only those that vertex top pick selection. Yeah, yeah, that one. Shift to select this vertex. Yeah, the down vertex. Yeah, both of them should get aligned on the middle thing. If it's not, you just try it. Or okay, do no, no, undo. You just move it leftwards slightly, no, no, very little. Undo, very little. 0.001 like that. No, right side. This much, not this much. That is uh, on the left side, just after the green, just before the green color line in the middle, just before the green color line. Enough, bus. Yeah. So this one will not, so that we will not lose the curvature. For that we are doing. Right. Now we are going to uh, uh, make this mirror. Go to object mode. Yeah. Now Control A, all transforms. All transfers. Yeah. Now Shift D. Yeah. Escape. Yeah. Go to object menu. mirror, X global, first option. Yeah, yeah. So now we have got two things, two objects. You see on the in the outliner you have two objects. They have to become one single object, and then we have to do that is to make them one single object. How to do that? That is one single mesh. We have to join. We have the option of join. So select both the curves. Yeah. Now Control J. Yeah, sometimes you ask where is this option. You can just go and go to object menu, no? Go to object menu. Yeah, there you are finding join option is there. Don't click that. Okay, it is already joined. Okay, right. Now we have to uh, merge these middle vertices. Just go into the top one and bottom one. First we'll do the top one. There, that region you just zoom in, no? Zoom in. Yeah, yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, so both just press merge. Yeah, by distance. You can do collapse. You do collapse. Okay. It is asking. Okay, at center you do at center. Okay, it's not doing. Okay, center means like this. It is doing. Another option you try. That also is doing like this. At cursor is doing. Okay, undo. Go to top view and undo. Top view. Yeah. I think downwards vertices also selected. Only top one we should select. Downward control and deselect them. Control press hold control and deselect. No, no, press hold control. Yeah. Now go to top view. Uh, yeah. Now zoom into that. Now press M in the keyboard and by distance we can choose by distance. Yeah. Now we have to increase here in the merge distance. Point 0.1 we can. Yeah. Careful, careful. Point 0.1 is enough. Point 0.1. Yeah, enter. Okay, point 0.1. Okay, point 0.01 you put. Point 0.01. Point 0.5 you put. No? Point 0.5. No, this is okay. Fine. Now we have to make. No, no. Bring in, zoom in, zoom in. Zoom in. Uh, we have to switch on the horseshoe magnet and go to its menu. Go to its menu and switch on the absolute grid snap. Yeah, yeah. And now you just press escape to escape the menu and use this x-axis handle to move it leftwards. It will snap on the green color. Yeah, that is enough. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it is exactly in the middle. So middle vertex should be in the middle, exactly in the world origin line only. Same thing we have to do for the bottom also. Go to top view. Top view only you should be top. Now for bottom also we have to do this. Select both the vertices. Yeah, yeah. Press M. No, no, press M. Yeah, distance. No, yeah, yeah. It's already on only. Yeah, you have to just have to move it. Escape, escape, escape. Move it. You are not able to find the handle. Uh, Only this vertex you have to do. Yeah, right. Now you can go to object mode. So now both the sides are symmetrical and they have same number of vertices. If you want to check how many vertices are there, no, just go to uh, this go to top and before the X-ray icon, X-ray mode icon, there is one menu is there. Viewport overlays. Before that, before yeah, that one. That yeah, yeah. In that, switch on the statistics. Yeah, below the text info. Up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That one. Statistics. Yes, yes. Do you see how many on the left side? Yeah, number of vertices 228 or something. I'm not able to see clearly from here. Right. So this is how we have to see number of vertices present in the curve, mesh curve. Right. Now you can name this as mesh curve in the outliner. In the outliner, right side, right. Yeah. Name this as mesh curve. Yeah. Right. Now I will show you, you can save this as version 2 or something. I will show you in my screen. Ah yeah, please, please, yeah. Now, so I will show you. Now the next thing after what we did, we loaded the background image in the top view, top orthographic view, and then we drew uh, Bezier curve on that using the freehand curve option. Then we named it Bezier curve. We converted it to mesh curve using the object convert mesh. Then we named it again mesh curve. Now one side, right side or left side, one side we deleted and then duplicated it and then mirrored it and made them one single mesh by using object join, that is control J, and then we merged the vertices. That is, though we are using the join option to merge two different objects, two different meshes, we are using the join option. Okay, it is merged, it is showing as one single mesh in the outliner, but we need to join them geometrically also. That is, by vertices they should be joined. There should be a continuation in the line, in the edges. So for that, what we did use merge option for the vertices. We select both the vertices where it is apart, where it is separate. Those two vertices we made them one single vertex by using the mesh merge vertices option. Now it is one single mesh curve with continuity in the edges also. Right. Now we are going to make this guy a face. That is, there are no faces. There are only vertices and edges. We are We are going to create a face. You know very well how to create a face. We just have to select, press A and then press F in the keyboard. It will fill it. This option is there in the face menu also. Fill option is there, that also we can use. Right, now we have filled it. What else we have to do is, here we should is instead of uh, doing boolean operation, I'm choosing this way of operation also to create a design. That is with neatly creating the design without much problem uh, in the future, so that when we are doing beveling it won't create any problem in the future. That is why we are using this method. It will be nice, smooth, it will reflect nicely when light is casted upon the table or on the design. So for that sake only we are carefully uh, creating the mesh. So now I have made it a face, selecting all the vertices and pressing F in the keyboard. I have made it a face. I will deselect everything and I will go for circular selection in the top. Select circle. I will choose the circular selection and I will select these vertices like this. Okay, fine. And this side also press shift, and this side also I am selecting this. On the right side, how many vertices I am selecting, same number of vertices I should select on the left side also, huh? So we should be very careful while doing this selection. It should not be like this. See, one side it is one less and one side on the left side it is more. No, it should not be like that. That vertex we should see whether it is on the line or not, what I have selected. Now what I will do, once I have done the selection, I'll press Alt E and extrude edges, and then if I move naturally in Blender it's coming like this, so I'll just escape so that I can move it manually. I'll go to move handle and then move it upwards. It will come like this. Okay, I'll minimize this settings clicking here. Now I'll make this guy flat. How? Using this special manipulation. As usual we used to use special manipulation. Same thing we are going to use here. I'll switch on the scale option and then click on the y-axis handle, and without leaving the left mouse button I am typing 0 in the numerical pad. Yeah, it has become flat now. Okay, fine, this is nice. Now I want to do another thing. These sides also we have to do the same thing. We have to do the same thing. How? Again do the selection. From here we have to do the selection. See, like this we have to do the selection, and then this side also we have to do the selection. Yeah, we have done it. Now press Alt E, extrude edges. It has extruded. Escape. Now scale in x-axis, that is width. We are going to scale. We are going to scale like this. Okay, fine. It's nice. Now I want to make this sides also flat. How? Go to transform, individual, switch to individual origins, and then now using the x-axis handle, pressing hold the x-axis handle using the left mouse button, and then type 0 at the same time. It has become flat. Yeah. Now you can I'm switching to back to median point and then do it like this. Okay, fine. So we have got this one. So this is our goal, to make all this low. We have attained this one. Next thing is there, to make this design. We have we underwent so many process, like Bezier curve, and then convert it to mesh curve, and then from and make this that curve a face. After making it a face, we just drew the we just selected some vertices on the top and extruded it and made it flat on the top, and then side vertices also, equal number of vertices we have to select on this left side and right side, and then extruded the edges, and made it flat in individual origins, transform pivot point. Now it has become like this. Now this thing you can also do. You can share your screen. You can share your screen. I'll stop sharing my screen. Yeah. Yeah. In the top view only we are going to do everything. So no need to change from top view. Now zoom in. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now we have the equal number of vertices on left side and right side. Very good. Nice. Now you made it face also. Very good. We have to you are in vertex mode. That is also okay. You can switch off this horseshoe magnet snap icon. You can switch off. Right. Now go to circular selection in the toolbox. Toolbox. First icon. Yeah. Circular selection. Yeah. Now first deselect to have a fresh selection. Deselect everything. Alt A. Now on the left side you are seeing triangles. No triangles like that word is there on the left side. Left side. On the left side. No, that statistics. Left side statistic we switched on. Yeah, below that triangles word is there. Yeah, objects, vertices, edges. No, right side. Word is word. Word means letters are there. Triangles, letters, numbers are showing. Yeah. So just opposite that triangle, one vertex is there on the left side. That is yeah. That vertex you start from. Yeah. Now from there press shift hold shift button in the keyboard. Press hold shift button. Now you start upwards, not downwards. Up. No. Deselect that lower one. Uh, Start from there only we start. Like that. Yeah. Now carefully, like on the left side where you started, same on the right side, same level you have to end. Yeah. Some vertices you didn't select. Careful. Yeah, come. Yeah, one more vertex you have to select. Yeah. So this one, uh, yeah. Now press Alt E, extrude edges, escape. Now move option, move handle, and call it translation handle. Okay. Uh, y-axis. Yeah. Move it upwards. Yeah. Right. Keep it like this not this much. A little enough. Now we have to make it flat, right? So for that, don't move in any other axis. Let it be straight. That's all. Now go to scale option. Scale. This is rotate option. Uh, in y-axis, we are going to do special manipulation. Y-axis, green color. Y-axis. Uh, just press hold and type 0. That's it. Made it flat. Okay, fine. Alt deselect. Alt A. Yeah. Now zoom in little. Not much. Little zoom out little. Keep it in the middle. No? Press shift and middle mouse button and pan the camera in the middle. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Now, right side from the top right side corner, that vertex you have to select. Start from that vertex. No, in the geometry I'm saying. The geometry come to view. So again, go back to the circular select. Press W in the keyboard. Just by pressing W, you'll go there. Yeah. Now, yeah, start selecting. Uh, no, not left side. Downwards, like that. You select. Um, Press Shift and just slide your drag your mouse. Press no. First and those vertices you have selected, it's all correct. Downwards, you have to continue selecting. Yeah. Yeah. You can just slide the mouse also. You select. Yeah. Not fully. Yeah. only till the dot. That one. That's it. Enough. One more vertex you lessen. No? One more vertex. Yeah. Deselect. Control. Deselect. Yeah, that's it. Now same number of vertices, same pattern of vertices on the left side you have to select. From the top you can, left side top you can select. Careful. Yeah, yeah. I think this is end. No. One more vertex you have to select on the top left side, top left corner, left side corner. No, left side corner. Uh, no, not on that. Topmost. Press Control and deselect. Go top, that one. Yeah. You see, right side you have selected that. Now you have selected the equal number of vertices. I think one more vertex you have to select. Just check. No, wait. You have extruded. Escape. Uh, just select whether you have selected is correct. Okay, fine. It is correct. Now I think you have extruded. Now go to scale option. Yeah. Now it won't no, in x-axis only you have to pay, but it won't scale because you are in individual origins. You have to go to median point. Go to, just scale it and see. Scale in the x-axis and scale. Okay, scale up, scale up. No, sorry. Scale up means scale it bigger, I'm saying, in the X. Bigger. You are shrinking it. Not this much. Little. Enough. Yes. Now you have to make it flat, right? So for that, go to transform pivot point menu in the middle after global. Before that, yeah. Individual origins. Yeah. Now, same x-axis handle, press hold, do the special manipulation, type 0. Yeah. Now go to again, switch back to median point. It is in this transform pivot point only, same upwards. Below the individual one, median point is there. Yeah. Now little make it bigger. No, it's no. Undo. Wider. Little, no, not this much. Little lesser. Enough. Yeah. Okay. Alt A, deselect. Yeah. Come back. Object mode. You can come back. You can just see how it looks. Yeah. See, this is how it looks. Yeah. So this is how we have to make this any designs in Blender. Then it will, you won't have any texturing issues, not much. At least compared to Boolean operation, no, you won't have much texturing issues and lighting issues at all if you make this way. Yeah. Now we are going to extrude this, but before that we may have to make some adjustments in the tabletop to make this guy fit into that. Huh? So what we have to do is you can save this file as next version. I will show you the next part. I will show you. Yeah. I'll share my screen. Now I'll switch on the visibility of tabletop. Okay, fine. This face is very big, that is mesh curve. I will make it design and rename it as uh, design design 1. It is actually design 1 because another design also we are going to make. Design 1 mesh. Right. Design 1 mesh. Now we have to scale this guy to fit inside the cavity. For this I have to keep it in X-ray mode so that it will be clear for me. And now little more I can scale down. I'll keep it here. So this is where I want to fit this guy into. You can go to shade mode and show you, and switch on the wireframe here. Where is- so that it will be clear for you. I'm scaling it. I'm using the shortcut for this only, shortcut scaling. Now I'm trying to fit it here. Okay, fine, nice. And start from here. So from here, let it start. And then now I'm going to replicate this guy. I feel this is okay. Maybe if in your thing you will have to adjust. I'll tell you. Now I'm keeping in the front view in the bottom. Right. Like this I'm keeping very carefully. I'm doing it. Right. Now it is on the bottom. Yeah, it is on the bottom. Right. Now now I'm going into face mode. Only now I'm going to extrude because I'm keeping the face on the cavity, and then I'm extruding it. I'm pressing I'm pressing E in the keyboard and extruding it. Okay, so you can see how it is to the level it is. Okay, now little more if I want to move also I can move it. Okay, so now I'm going to replicate this using the array modifier. I'll go to modifier section in the properties panel and press on add modifier. Under generate menu, array modifier I'm choosing. Now it is by itself, it is beautifully, it is creating the replication. Now I'll say 3 4 like that. I'll just multiply it till it reaches this end. Yeah, so here if you see, it is more actually. So we may have to increase the table size or make this design smaller. Any one thing we have to do. So what we can do, I feel maybe I have to uh, reduce the size of the design, so that I have to make many adjustments. It's a bit difficult only. Or for easy option, maybe I can do the scaling. That is, this one I can scale it and move this, adjust this one, rather than scaling this one like this. I don't want to do that because it's very difficult to convey it. You can do like this also. Okay, fine, this is okay. So here what we have to do, here we have to adjust these gaps. There are gaps here. Okay, let the gaps be there. It's okay. Right. Now on the top we have multiplied it. Right. Now what I will do is, you see I have merged it. When I am pressing the array, I have applied the array. I will just switch on the merge. Once it is, you see it has merged. You can see the difference, color difference. You will see it is now bright bright yellow color line. When I switch on the merge in the array modifier, you see this change. It will become, those boundaries will become dull yellow color. It has become dull yellow color. Right? Now means what, it has merged. Right now, so this side also we have to duplicate them. This side, opposite side also we have to duplicate. I will press Shift D and then uh, go to mirror and then y-axis global, mirrored in y-axis global. I'll go back to top and align it manually. I'm aligning it like this. I'm aligning. Okay, fine. Now I have the design on either side. Now I need the design here also. So for that, what I should do, I should duplicate one more and then rotate it like this. that is 90, or say minus 90. I'm using the special manipulation. That is the advantage of Blender. You don't have to go to transform panel and then do minus 90 and all. Just here itself we can do. Now go to top view and align it here. Okay, fine. Now here the problem is it is not fitting. We have to increase the counts in the array. Now I'll go to here and then adjust it. Fine. Okay, somewhat okay. Yeah. Okay. So here in the table I have to adjust this one. This portion I have to adjust. So first I will set this one, then I will go to table. This one is on the straight line I feel. So this is straight actually now. Okay, let it have this mesh intersection. It's okay. It will go. Now this side is done. Duplicate, and opposite side also we have to do. Object mirror X global and move it on the right side. It's actually very easy. Once we are done with the basics of Blender, no, this will be very nice actually. We will keep on building assets on assets. We once just it's a bit difficult exercise only, but uh, once you take effort and practice this again and again, you will really gain nice this hands-on knowledge in the Blender. You will keep on creating whatever the models you want. Now I have switched on the X-ray mode and I am selecting this side and moving it to fit here. I am adjusting the tabletop actually. Okay, this side also I am adjusting. Okay, now you see when we go to this side, it is fitting nicely. Yeah, okay. So only the middle one is pending. Then the bottom we have to do one design. That also curve will be different, but it won't be so difficult like this one. Uh, then we will have to create that is here one design here and then one leg here. So okay. Now you can share your screen. We can do this. Um, you can share your screen. Yeah. Yeah. I think where is that scene? No, it is showing some of this yesterday's scene. It is showing. Ah, yeah, yeah. No, I'm not able to see. I'm seeing the pillow scene. Um, yeah, yeah. Now, uh, okay, we have done the thing. We have made it a face and extruded it, made it flat. Very good. Now this piece of wood is ready actually, but we have to make it extrusion. But no, now don't make it extrude and all. We have to switch on the visibility of tabletop. Only tabletop. Now go to top view. Yeah. Now because this shadows are there in the, we have switched on the shadows, cavity, ridges, all that in the viewport shading. It is bit confusing, so we have to go switch on the, go to viewport overlays on the right side, right side. There is, before the X-ray icon, no, there is one menu. before the X-ray. Yeah, before that. Yeah. There you see wireframe, geometry wireframe. You switch on, down, down, down. Yeah, that one. Just above that. Yeah. Now you are able to see the wireframe on the solid mode. Unselected object also you are able to see the wireframe. Okay. Now you can press Control Space, maximize the view. Yeah. Now you can scale this one. Press S in the keyboard and then scale. Shortcut. Yeah, yeah. Scale it to fit inside that. Yeah, surrounding faces. Scale it down. Scale it down. Uh, Now, enough. Keep it. Place it inside that surrounding. Enough. Leave the. Uh, Press move handle. That is, yeah, go to move. Now go take it upwards. Correct only. Take it upwards. Move it up. Move it still further. Move it further. Keep on going. There only. Below that. Below. Come down. There only you have to fit. Yeah. Now move it leftwards. In the x-axis, move it leftwards. There. Very good. Now press dot in the keyboard. We have to set it properly. So that is, I think, function dot. I think. Yeah. Now it will. Is You have to select the object, I think, properly, because the handle is. Okay. Now you are in lasso selection. No, many objects are selected. That's why. Yeah. Select only one object. Yeah. So press move handle. No, escape. Move handle. Yeah. Okay, it is here. Oh, right. So how you will bring, go to object? No, not like that. It is already all transforms. It is already in the world origin. Go to object menu. Yeah. Or set origin to geometry. Yeah. No, you didn't select it properly. Select the option. Same thing. No. Object is selected, but you didn't choose the tool properly. Yeah. Do. It's not happening. Okay. Now. Uh, that one, second option only. Okay. Let's see why it is so. Go to user perspective. Maybe some other object is selected along with it. Go to uh, like did you extrude it? Extruded. Okay. Now go to there is control space. No, control space. Yeah. Okay. Only this object is selected. No problem. Okay. Fine. Why it is not happening? Oh, okay, fine. Now you have to go to, I think, 3D cursor is on. Go to in the transform pivot point. No, top. That is after global. You are seeing transform pivot point menu and all. Individual origins, all that you go to. That next one. Yeah. The 3D cursor is on. Yeah. Go to switch on individual origins. You always see this. Okay, whenever you are facing this issue what we face now, you have to go to transform pivot point and switch it to individual ordinance. Okay, right. Now move it using the little, yeah, enough. X-axis also. Yeah, enough. Now you can see that we may have to scale it. No, just press dot. Yeah, you see the below. No, it is actually intersecting. That is, it is going inside the mesh. Just bring your cursor below, little below. No, don't zoom in. Only cursor you bring without. No, don't move any object. Don't move the view. That inside that portion. No, you zoom in. Go to top view only. No, zoom in. No, in the same region, zoom in. We were in the whatever region we were no doing the object working on this one. Enough, enough. You see this object, this design is intersecting into the lower part, lower the middle tables lower. You see, just bring your cursor, don't move the object, don't change the view, nothing. That, do you see one object is that inside that it is going, you see that, so it should fit inside that, this design should fit inside that. Yeah, maybe you go into switch on the x-ray, no, x-ray mode, you will clearly see it. Do you see it is not fitting inside that? It is in the top portion it is fitting, but down portion it is not. Yeah, yeah. So go inside, zoom only, zoom on. Little zoom out, not this much. Yeah, now press, we are going to scale down the object. Press S in the keyboard. Scale down. Scale down means scale, make it small. Not this much. No, no. Very slowly you do it. Now scale it down a little more. No, no, no. Very slowly you do. Scale it up. Scale up. Scale up. Scale up. Enough. 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 Now move it on the top again. Yeah, top. Yeah, leftwards move it. Left side move it. Yeah, yeah. Now you see below in the tabletop it is fitting now. You are able to see here. Okay, maybe you will understand. You will select the tabletop, then you will select the. Don't change the view and all. Just select the tabletop. Yeah. Do you see the two lines? The track inside the track it should fit. Yeah. This design is like a train. Inside that, two lines are there. Inside that, this design should fit. Now it is fitting. Okay. Now we have to select the design only. Select the design. Yeah. Now go to front view. Yeah. Now we have to keep it bit downwards, very little downwards. Yeah. Enough. Just press dot, no? Press dot, zoom in, and then, yeah, yeah. A little more zoom in. Yeah, yeah. Little down, bring it down, no? Bring this object down, very little, very little. Enough. Right. Now go to user perspective. Perspective. Yeah, yeah. This view is okay. This view is okay. Um, go to edit mode or press tab in the keyboard. Yeah. Press A. Go switch to face mode. This now just listen. Just remember, whenever you are going to extrude something, no, make sure that you are in face mode. Huh? That is very important. Yeah. So now you are going to extrude. Press E in the keyboard. Yeah. Now just move it. Yeah. On that level. Yeah. Enough. Bas. Very good. Very good. Alt A. Once you have done it, no, immediately deselect. Yeah. So that you will not have, by mistake you won't move it or nothing. Alt A. Deselect. Go to object mode. Yeah. Now go to top view. That is top orthography. Top ortho 7. Now switch off the X-ray mode. X-ray mode before. Okay, right. Okay. This one. Now inside this track, no, you are going to replicate this using the this design. You are going to replicate inside the table tops track. Yeah. This is the correct view. Don't change the view. Let it be like this. Now go to right side properties panel. Below. Go to modifiers and add modifier, generate array, first option. Yeah. Now this is, it is wait, it is no, you don't have to move anything, it will replicate by itself, but it is replicating that side, I don't know why. Maybe you have to put factor in factor x, no, -1 you put in the settings, -1 below factor x. Yeah, relative offset -1 you put, enter. Yeah. Now it is replicating on the right direction. Yeah, slowly you replicate. Uh, Now you see a small, that is design is uh, one more design you can actually fill like that, it is showing, or but if you fill, no, it will go even further out. So in this difficult situation, what we will do is we will have to adjust the table only. So maybe we will try with the design also. Just control space. Oh, you have to keep again control back to control space. Yeah. Keep your cursor in the 3D viewport and then press control space. Now, just try to scale it. No, press S in the keyboard. Ah, enough. Just see the starting. Okay, it is bit. No, it is okay only. No, it's undo. Just correctly, it is fitting. Undo. One more undo. This is correct. Okay, fine. So maybe little lower we can move. Very zoom, uh, nano, little closer you go. Zoom in into the first, the original design. Yeah. Zoom in. Now little you move in the y-axis downwards. Very little. No, upwards. Yeah, this is enough. Yeah, very good. So this that gaps, no, will create a nice view in the render one. That is why we have to have gaps. Right. Now we have successfully done on the top side. We have to duplicate this object and mirror this to fit on the lower side also. Press escape. Now go to object menu, menu. Mirror, y global. Yeah. Now move it manually. Slowly you move it. It's like upper region. You have to fit it properly. This time, no, you just zoom it and do it. Yeah, that is zoom in. Further, no. This is not enough. No, further zoom in and do the proper alignment. Alignment is very important in engineering. Right. Now this is also fitting. Sorry. Now we have to duplicate this one more for sides also. Select this one. Yeah. Select the design. You didn't select properly. This is now in yellow color, right? Now shift D, escape, escape. Now rotate it. I will do. Wait. Don't be fast. No. Not at all white color. Okay. Always x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. Now you have to rotate in z-axis. That is blue color. But we are going to do special manipulation. For that, -90 you have to type. Just press on that blue color line. Blue color. Yeah. Oh, careful. You have selected something else. Undo. Now select exactly on the, keep your cursor exactly on the blue color circle. -90 you type. No. Okay, you type here. Yeah, -90 you type. Yeah. Now you can place it. Now we have to do one thing. Go to array modifier. Yeah, very good. Now go to array modifier. Control space. There you will lessen the count. Uh, I think this even more lesson. Only two are enough, I think. Just move it and see. Yeah. Little more move it. Yeah. Okay, actually gaps are there. It's okay. We can adjust. we'll do one thing, something. Huh? Now you control space and control space. Uh, Press dot. Yeah. Now it will move upwards. No, no. There is move the object upwards. Now, yeah. Now scale it in. Go to scale option in the toolbox. Toolbox. Yeah. Yeah. Now in the in the scale it bigger, little. Only in the axis bigger, so that it will fit. No, for that. No, 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 not it. Little lesser, not this much, very little you have to scale. Little more, enough. Now move it and fit it. Yeah, little more. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah. Only you know, because you are able to see the screen properly. From here I'm not able to see. Now uh, now you have to duplicate.
Till how long?
Half an hour, half an hour.
Half an hour. Okay, Nani will go.
Okay. So okay, now just press Shift D. Yeah, escape, and go to object on the top and mirror X global. X global. Yeah, yeah. Now move it this words and keep it. Yeah, fine. That's all. So we'll know the escape. Yeah, we'll know the next thing tomorrow or something. Tomorrow we can do. Uh-huh. Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll tell you. I'll be in travel, I think. So maybe Wednesday I'll be able to make it away. So Wednesday same. That is 12 o'clock. No, Indian time 12 o'clock. I think. Okay. Okay, Rahul. Thank you. So you can save this scene file. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.